In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide following list on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on menu, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your menu, you have to tap on the settings icon, which is present at the top right side of your screen. Now on the settings and privacy, you have to scroll down to the audience and visibility section and tap on followers and public content. In followers and public content, you have to tap on who can see the people, pages and list that you follow. Now from here, you have to select the option that says only me. Then tap on save, which is present at the bottom side of your screen. By doing this, you will be able to easily hide your following list on Facebook. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.